Hi guys, it's Mrs. Hughes. I wanted to post a short video just to explain what's new on our Schoology page and to say hi because I miss all of you very, very much. I hope you guys are all staying healthy and being safe and finding new creative ways to be at home. So going forward, we will have a sort of folder a week that you'll see on Schoology, and I'm going to show you what that looks like in a minute, where you'll have new assignments and things that you can do for my class. I am really, really proud of all of you who are already taking advantage of all of the work that your teachers are working really hard to get to you, and I want to remind you how important it is to keep your brain active, to practice your skills, because you will return to school and you're going to need those. So please, please, please continue to practice the assignments, continue to do the work, because it's only going to benefit you more than anybody else in this time. I want to say again how much I miss you, and my freshmen and my sophomores, I'm doing one video for both of you, so I will be using the freshman page as an example in this video. So sophomores, just make sure that you go to your sophomore page, obviously, for the assignments. So there we go. So I'm just on the Joseph Gregory page. I'm going to go to, I went to students, and I went to applications, and it brought me to this page. You guys have tons of applications here, but we're going to go to Schoology. So once you're in Schoology, you want to go to courses, and you want to go to the course that you have for me. And then I want to kind of talk you through two things that are new going forward. There are three things that are new, but two of them are very specific to my class. One of them is something that the district is doing as a whole for you guys that might be something that your parents would want to look at for maybe your little brothers or sisters, or even for you if you want more practice. But these are the two things I want you guys to look at for my class. So I've been posting sort of letters to you guys throughout the school closure to kind of keep you updated. Here was a link for low cost or free internet and free meal pickup if you guys needed that. I wanted you guys to get signed up for Remind because I'll be sending out a lot of messages through there. I also recently sent out a letter to you and your parents to kind of let you know that I will be posting things, new opportunities for you guys to have throughout this time that the school is closed. And my office hours will be Monday through Friday from 1 to 2 p.m., which is usually the time that I will be online, either doing Schoology conferences or answering any questions by email the quickest. You can contact me whenever you would like. Just know that during my office hours will probably be the quickest response. Again, I am so, so proud of all of you who have already done this, who have checked Schoology, who are just, you guys are bettering yourself, and I'm really, really proud of you guys. So in this course, and like I said, all of you will have this. It'll look the same, but you guys will also have a distance learning folder. It is a yellow folder. There will be one for each week going forward. So this is for week 1, which starts April 13th to the 17th. So you're going to click on that folder, and it's going to take you to this page. Again, this is the freshman page, and it is not fully updated yet, but so the freshmen will see, you guys will see something that looks like this. Sophomores, you will see basically the same thing, just for content that you are doing. And so you're going to click on the first link for freshmen and sophomores. You guys have basically the same thing first week going forward, but I want you to always click on this for all of our weeks to get the instructions and the steps for what you need to do that week. And so for grade recovery, I talked a little bit about that in my letter, but if you want to take opportunities to raise your grade, to make up missing assignments, to get alternate assignments, then, excuse me, please let me know so that I can provide those for you. So in this folder, you'll find everything you need to get started. The first couple of things I want you guys to do is I want you guys to watch the video tutorial on Schoology conferences. It'll take you through what they are if you haven't heard of them and how we're going to be using them. And then at this Wednesday, I'll have a live game kit where you guys will play with each other and show me what you know about Schoology conferences. I also want you guys to read the online netiquette poster that I will be posting in this folder, and it just kind of talks about the correct or acceptable way to communicate and behave online. And I really expect you guys to behave and to follow these expectations moving forward in Schoology conferences. And everything is recorded and permanent records, so just, do well. Like I said, I have some dates posted for you by when I want you to have things done, only because it benefits you, only because that way you'll know if you want to participate in anything that is live, that you can be prepared to participate in any of those live events that I'll be holding. At the end of this page, there is some information about how to specifically get on to Schoology conferences. And so freshmen and sophomores, you will have a different code. All of you will have a unique code for how to get into Schoology conferences. So what I've done is I've created a course to link all my sophomore classes together and to link all my freshman classes together, and hopefully so that we can be able to all join together. And so this access code is very important. So you're going to go to your access code on this page. You're going to copy it. So I just selected it and now I'm going to copy it. I'm going to hold on to that so that I can show you how to add the Schoology conference course. And again, sophomores, I'm using the freshman code as an example. So you guys will have your own once you get to your page. Okay? So I'm going to go to courses again, and then I'm going to go to my courses. And when you get to my courses, yours should have a little button that says join course. And so you're going to click on this little button. This is a list on the left-hand side of all of your courses. And so that's kind of what it shows you from, I think, currently what semester you're in and then your past semesters. And so you're going to go to join course though, and then you're going to just go ahead and paste in the code that you got from the distance learning folder. And then once you paste that code in, you're going to click join. And of course, I'm already a member, so it says I can't enroll because I already enrolled. But you guys should have a green bar that will say you've enrolled for this course. Then you can find that course in this either it's going to be in this list of courses here, or it'll be on your course page. So this is your course page that has kind of the ones that Schoology thinks that you use the most. And so if you don't see it here, then go back to my courses and then we should be able to find it. So here is the Schoology conference course for all of you freshmen. And on this page, it looks just like a regular, Schoology page, but it'll have the conference posted here when that time comes to join that live conference. So this is where you would go to join that conference. Okay, so I've posted those two things for you. You will all have a folder that will have new assignments, new opportunities every week for you guys to participate in. And we will not have a Schoology conference every week, but I will have them often. So when I do have them, I will let you know in that folder when they will be. So I wanted you guys to just kind of get a step-by-step from me on how to get onto Schoology conferences, on how to find all of the new opportunities that I'll be posting for you. Like I said, I'm gonna put it so you guys can see my face. I miss you guys all very much, and I am so looking forward to just seeing all the great things that you guys are going to do in the weeks coming forward. Don't lose hope. We will get through this together. And I miss you guys very much and hope to see you soon. Bye.